Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you what I got for BOXYCHARM. I actually went on the website for November. I'm not sure if I got November's box or December. I really did not look into it a lot. I just went, like, okay, I'm gonna subscribe to them. I'm going to purchase it for like each month. I think it's $20 or $21. I'm not sure, but I wanted it last month because I kind of saw it and it had like these little brushes, and I really don't know about BOXYCHARM, but I'm going to show you guys what I got. I just opened it. I received it today actually, and yeah. So yeah, for today's video, this is what's gonna be. I'm gonna show you my new BOXYCHARM and see what I got. So let's get to this video. So you open it and it says BOXYCHARM, and then it has Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat. So, and this is the inside of the box. So I got, let's see what it says. Okay, so it says "'Tis the Season." So this is the card, and on the back I think it shows you like every product you got and how much it is, and like what it is for. I'm pretty sure how to put it on. If you're not sure, I don't know, but this is the card. So first thing is, oh, hair care anti-freeze smoothing serum. And how cute is this, guys? Look, it's like little pearls. Okay, I'm gonna open this. Can you guys see that? So cute. How cute is that? Okay, I'm pretty sure you just like rip off the top of it, and okay, here it is. So, anti-frizz smoothing serum capsule. Get ready for gorgeous hair with ultimate shine, softness, and silkiness. Amarajo anti-frizz smoothing serum nourishes with shea butter and helps prevent heat damage with protecting properties. The single-use capsule give the perfect amount of serum. And I guess it's solo is $28. Damn. Okay. I mean, my bad. $28. Okay, I can't wait to try this because my hair has been like dry and I do not know what to put on it. Okay, so next thing is it's a Girls World. What? Okay, I think it's a mini straightener. What? Wow, okay, I'm liking this BOXYCHARM already. So this is the PYT. It's a mini hair straightener and its value is $75. Oh my gosh, can you believe $75? And I got all of this for $21. Okay, so let me open it. It looks like I didn't get the brushes. I really wanted the brushes, so I'm pretty sure this is December's box. I don't know. This is like a travel. Oh my goodness, it's a travel size straightener. How cute. And it's perfect because I'm going to for Christmas I can't tell you yet, but I'm going out and I'm gonna take this with me. And oh my goodness, how cute. And it comes with its little pouch, for traveling. How cute is this? Okay. Alright, so next is the Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint, and it looks like this. Let me see the card. Where is it? Tarte. This sheer lip gloss is infused with shimmering glitter and delivers a luscious, multi-dimensional, and a high shine finish. And it says the rest. I'm gonna read it, and that is for $20. Okay, so here it is again. Let me open it. Flaming Hot. That is the color. Flaming Hot. Pretty sure. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Okay, let me do a swatch for you guys. So, okay, so let's try this again. So it, oh, it smells so good. It smells like coconut. Okay, here we go. Do you guys see that better? It's a shimmery lip, like a lip gloss, shimmery lip gloss. Yeah, it's a sheer lip gloss. Okay, so it has lots and lots of sparkles. I'm not sure if you guys could see that, but it has lots of sparkles. It smells really good, by the way. Okay, and that is that. So cute. Okay, wow, there's more. Damn. I mean, dang. Oh my gosh, my language. Okay, so there's more. This is the Cella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. Add some wow to your brows. This innovating eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The Velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets giving the perfect blending easy, then sets. Oh, I already read that. Brows and will last all day, night, and la 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 la. Okay, this is valued for $26. Okay, I see. So here is the brush, and it's so thin. Okay, here's another swatch. Okay, the funny thing about this is, I don't know if you guys can see, that's like, I see like a purple color, like a light purple, but on my hand it's coming out like black or brownish. But yeah, I can't wait to try that. I already have one. It's a gel. You just put it on your eyebrows when you're done with your eyebrows. You put it on so your hair can stay there. It's like a spoolie. I don't know if you guys seen those. I don't know if you guys have one of these, but it's from Cella Beauty as well. Okay, so now moving on, we got this little palette, blush and highlighter palette, Wonder Beauty Wondrous Dusk to Dawn, and this is $26. And wow, okay, $26 for blush and highlighter palette. Okay, let me open it and I'll show you guys. Okay, so it comes like this, and it has a mirror as well right here. I'll do a swatch for you guys. So it has the color Tuscan, Sunrise, Havana Nights, and City Lights. Wow, these are so cute. Okay, so I'm going to try the Tuscan Sunrise, if I'm saying that correctly. Here it is. I'll do that one. This is a very light shimmery. You can use it as a blush or as a highlighter because it gives like a light, not too pigmented of a shimmer, so it'll be great as a blush or as a highlighter. This is more of a pinky rose. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. My lighting is so bad, but hopefully you can. This is more of a more pigmented rose reddish color. So cute though. So now we're gonna try the City Lights, which is the highlight part. Okay, you can kind of see it. I'm so sorry. Okay, you can kind of see it. Like I said, my lighting is very bad in the room. But yeah, this is so cute. So yeah, guys, that is it for my first BOXYCHARM ever. I am so excited to get more and more of this. I am already subscribed with Ipsy. I don't know if you guys have seen some of my videos, but I really wanted to try BOXYCHARM, and I can say, wow, I really liked it. Like, all of this for $21, if I'm not mistaken. Only $21. And you get, let's see, 5 products as well, and oh my gosh, $20. I cannot stop saying $20, or $21. But thank you guys. That's it for this BOXYCHARM. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video with all these goodies in it. My goodness, I'm so excited for everything. Okay, let me end this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, a like, comment. Don't comment, like it again, do not like it. But let me know in the comments down below if you guys have BOXYCHARM, or if you guys have been with BOXYCHARM for a while. How does it work for you? If it's good, if it's not, you know. Okay guys, well, thank you guys for watching again. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.